Good evening, everyone, and
Good
welcome
evening.
to the first of its kind auction for the first season of Impromptu Premier League. I am Toastmaster Vivaswan Damle, the convener for this event. Now, there is no agenda shared for this event because there are only two things that we need to do today. First is to explain the rules, and second is to select a winning team. At the end, we might have a small couple of minutes interview with the captains to see if they are happy with what they have selected. So let me just explain the rules in the start. I'll share my screen for that. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
Right. So all the captains will have 400 game currency, or what we will call as GC, throughout the event. They will have to select a minimum of 6 players, and they can select any number of players that they want for a maximum. Like they can select 20 players if they want, but only 6 is the minimum amount. From the 6, 2 need to be from the category of uncapped or club level winners. Now, how the auction will take place is that, do you see the folder behind me that
Yes.
says HPL teams? So that has the posters of 60 contestants, which are randomly allocated the numbers. The list which you got is not the list in which this order is there. So don't try to use that. It won't work.
Smart.
Yeah, because I actually tried to do that some time back. Then there are 5 folders for all your teams and the unsold player. We'll call for one number from each team captain in sequence. So whichever, say Akhil chooses the number 2 first, then we'll bid on that player. After that, whoever gets the player will go to his folder. We'll keep on doing that. So the number of players will decrease from here and they will be added to your groups. If a player goes unsold, he will be added to the unsold folder. Now at the end, if all the players are done and you still haven't filled your team, then you can recall some of the players from the unsold players, and you will get 2 minutes to decide which players you want to bid on. This process will go on till all of you have finished 6 players. Do you have any doubts?
No.
Right. So for the audience members, if say one of the speakers has won division level evaluation contest, then he will be considered as an area level speaker because he has won in a contest other than table topics. If he has won division level in table topics, he will be considered at division level itself. Now the auction will be conducted by 3 auction masters. First is Vivaswan Damle, that is myself. Second is Toastmaster Swaraj from TMCP West. And last is Toastmaster Anurag Pathak. We will conduct 10 players auctions in rows, and at the end I will conduct the auction for the unsold players. These are all the rules, and I think we can begin. So Swaraj, for the first 10 players, you can also turn off your video so I can see all the speakers, all the captains. Akhil, your video is not visible to me.
I think we have, other than us, a few more videos visible.
Yeah. So other than the captains and the auction master, I request everyone to keep their videos turned off and mics on mute. If you want to chat, you can feel free to use your WhatsApp. The captains can also chat among themselves on WhatsApp. I have no issues in that. The captains can also have their mics switched on, because if the auction master misses someone, then you can say it out loudly that, okay, I was betting.
So we can scream and threat.
Yes, yes. Just try to keep some decorum because you are senior Toastmasters. One final rule, up to the price of 100, the bidding will go up by 5 GC, and after 100, the bidding will go up by 10 GC. So it will go like 50, 55, 60, 65, and after that, 100, 110, 120. Now the captains...
Can you also tell the base prices once again?
Yes. So I'll just put the base prices over here.
Vivaswan, before you start, can you
Yeah.
make co-host and
What?
can you make me co-host?
Yeah, I need your video turned on for that because I'm sharing my screen so I can see limited number of people. Rachita and Kishan, can you turn off your videos? Only the captain's videos are switched on for now. Thank you. Yeah, I have made you the host for now.
All the best, my co-captains.
The captains get 2 minutes to trash talk each other if they want to do that.
Akhil already
This is-
threatened me, implied a threat at the beginning. So I have
This
nothing
is
to
not
say.
a very formal event and not a district event, so we have a slight amount of freedom over here. Okay, so these are the prices. Division will have a base price of 75, area will have a base price of 50, club level winner will have a base price of 30, and uncapped player will have a base price of 20. Are we
And
ready?
And convener, would you also let us know at the end of, say, probably 3 or 4 auctions, what is our final kitty left? Huh?
Yeah, so you can see the Excel files, right?
Yes.
So after every player, you will be seeing the Excel file. So you will have a real-time updation of that.
Okay.
And you can ask for that whenever you want, even when the bidding is going on. That is not a problem.
But then I'll forget to put up my hand.
That's what we want, Sanjita.
I know. We've already had that discussion, Akhil.
So I think we have enough people here now, so we can start the actual auction. Captains, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Audience, are you ready? Like I can't really see any of you, but I hope you are ready.
Guys, I've just joined in Adhiraj.
Yeah, I also joined just now, so I have no idea what you have said earlier.
Okay, so we just explained the rules in brief. You can go through the PDF that was shared. The rules are pretty much the same. You can get it from someone, like since we will have to start the auction right now. So Swaraj, probably you can share the PDF with them for now. And rest of the speakers.
We shared it in chat,
I
right?
will do that. I will do that in the chat.
Yeah. Rest of the speakers, I'll ask you to turn off your videos and mute your mics. We'll start now. So I think we should go in alphabetical order. So Akhil, please give me the first number.
So what is the limit that we have?
1 to 60.
1 to 60.
Yeah.
31.
So the first speaker for today, for the first auction, is Jomson Perail. He is from TCS Maitri Toastmasters Club with an experience of 3.5 years. He has yet to win a contest yet, but he has a great message for the captains. Impromptu speaking is my forte. It comes to me naturally, and I am also able to add humor in my impromptu speeches. So if you want someone who can make the audience and the judges laugh, then I'm sure that you would like to bid for Jomson. So I'll start his bidding at 20 GC. Do I have anyone with 20 GC? I see Sanjukta's hand at 20. Rabin, are you in at 25? Rabin is in at 25. Sanjukta is in at 30. Do I see 35 from anyone? Rabin is in at 35 once again. Sanjukta is back in at 40. Do I see anyone at 45? Rabin is thinking. Other two captains, Rabin is in at 45. Do I see 50? Sanjukta is in at 50. Sanjukta seems to know the player very well. Rabin, are you in at 55? Yes, Rabin is in at 55. Sanjukta, are you in at 60?
Yes.
So Sanjukta is in at 60. So there is a very fast-paced auction going on here. Do I see 65 from anyone? So Rabin is back in at 65. Sanjukta is still holding strong at 70. Do I see 75 from Rabin? We are now starting. Okay,
Rabin,
Rabin
how
has
rude.
given
I know what
75.
you're doing. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
Rabin seems to be driving up the price right now. So,
Every dog has its day, Rabin. You wait and watch.
so Sanjukta, the bid is back with you at 80. So he is beyond the base price of a division level speaker. That is great for him. He must be happy if he is here in the meeting right now. So do I see 85 from anyone? Robin,
मार दूंगी रवि पे.
are you risking to spend the extra 5 and get the player? If I don't see any further bids, then I will sell Johnson to Sanjukta at 80. I'm selling once, selling twice, and sold to Sanjukta at 80. So Sanjukta opens the first IPL auction bidding and gets the first player for 80.
गया 320.
So Sanjukta, with Johnson, you have filled one uncapped category player that you needed. You still need one more.
Yes.
The number was 31.
31.
He goes to Sanjukta's topic tweeters. Someone give me the next player name. The next would be Basudhara. Basu,
Yeah.
give me the next number.
25.
25. Who is it at 25? Who is it at 25? Nishant Purohit, the dashing young man from Bane Toastmasters Club with an experience of 1.5 years. He has won area level evaluation speech contest. His message for the captains is, because he can relate to anything and he can relate anything and everything to money because he's a Gujarati. So I think if you want background advice on how to bid for the players, you might as well have him in the team. He is also a great speaker since I have seen him evaluate me at the division level contest. So for Nishant Purohit, do I see 30 GC from anyone? He is a great speaker and has a lovely voice. Do I see 30 GC from anyone for Nishant Purohit? If I don't see 30 GC, then I'll have to make him unsold. Once, twice, and for the first surprise of the day, Nishant Purohit goes unsold. The third player, I would ask Robin to give me one number for the third player.
19.
19. Let's see who Robin has chosen. Paramjit Kaur Wadhwa from Opulent Toastmasters Club with an experience of 2.5 years. She is a great value for money player. She is yet to win a contest, but her messages have been the best table topic speaker in a few different clubs. Good at sharing my thoughts and views confidently on abstract ideas and quotes. Enjoy explaining topics using real life examples, which helps engage the audience. So she says that she can use a story, and who doesn't like a good story? So do I see 20 GC from anyone for Paramjit Kaur Wadhwa? I see Basu going in at 20. Division Director Akhil, do I see 25 from you? She's your division member. Do I see 25 from anyone? If I don't see 25 from anyone, then my first bid will be my last bid. And Paramjit will go to Basu for the base price of 20 GC. If I don't see any hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, just Akhil comes in at the last moment. Akhil in at 25. Basu, do you want to go for 30? Basu is in at 30. Akhil, do you want to go for 35? Do I see 35 from Akhil? The other two captains seem not interested in this player. Akhil, are you coming in at 35? Are you risking the extra 5 GC? If I don't see 35, then I'll have to sell to Basu in 3, 2, 1, and sold to Basu. Akhil makes Basu paid extra 10 GC for Paramjit Kaur Wadhwa. So who was the last person? Sanjukta is yet to give me a number. Sanjukta, I want a number from you.
Let's see 60.
60. So the final contestant, lots of bidding is expected over here.
Oh my God. Okay.
So Ramya Kesharwani, who is also the alleged roommate in her words of Basudhara
Alleged?
Chaudhary.
How is it alleged?
No,
You
no,
have to-
seriously.
You have to discuss
it's a
that
fact.
with Basudhara Chaudhary.
It's a fact.
She is from Barclays Toastmasters Club. She is the area director for one of the areas. Akhil will be able to tell me which area that is. She has an experience of 3.5 years and is a club winner for ISC and HSC. Her message to the captains is, I have led my life full of embarrassing incidents, which I use to the benefit in impromptu speeches. Make the most of lemons that life gives you. So do I see 20 GC? Who is it? Basudhara? Okay, yeah. As expected, Basu goes in at 20. Do I see 25 from Sanjukta? I see 25 from Rabin, a different candidate. 25 with Rabin. Basu, are you coming in at 30 again? Your friend is judging you right now. 30. Do I see 35 from anyone? 35. Rabin comes in at 35. How much do you value your roommate Basudhara? Do I see 40 from you?
I wrote a full speech about her, how nice she is, but okay.
The bid is with Rabin at 35 right now. Do I see 40 from her? 40. I see 40 from Basudhara. Do I see 45 from Rabin? How further are you going to drive the price? 45. I see Rabin raising his hand for 45. Basu, are you back in at 50? Do I see 50 from anyone? Basu is contemplating. Should I spend that much on my friend? Is she really worth it? How good a friend is she? Do I see
Vivaswan,
50
he has
from
a
Basu?
life out of IPL also. Please don't ruin that.
Yeah, this is Vivaswan trying really hard to put me against you, just by the way.
So on a
ज्यादा
serious,
ट्रैश टॉकिंग कन्वीनर ही कर रहा है.
on a serious
Hana.
note,
I know, right?
on a serious note, 45, the bid is with Rabin right now. If I don't see any hands going up, then I'll have to sell to Rabin at 45. Okay, Basu comes in back in at 50. Do I see 55 from you, Rabin? 55. Bidding war is going on between the two captains. Okay, Akhil Pillai is the new addition, his team member. 60. Akhil Pillai comes in at 60. Do I see 65 from the first two captains? Is Akhil going to swoop in and get the good player? Do I see 65 from anyone? Basu is contemplating. Do I see 65 from anyone? If I don't see any hands,
Click the picture that Ramya is using for this poster. Pretty
If I-
sure that is from our balcony.
that picture will go into Akhil Pillai's
From a
folder.
next day, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
That picture will go into Akhil Pillai's folder if you don't bid. Going once,
What is the current amount?
Akhil has the bid at 60. So the next bid will be at 65. Do I see any bids at 65? Going once, going twice, and sold to Akhil at 60.
Sorry, Ramya.
So the player number 60 goes for 60 to Toastmaster Akhil, distinguished
wow.
Toastmaster Akhil.
अखिल ने कैलकुलेट करके इस पे बिड मारा है 60 पे ही.
So the
Time to look for a new flatmate.
So I need Akhil to give me the next number. Who is the next number? Akhil, give me a number.
18.
18. So who is player number 18? The next player is a distinguished Toastmaster with 9 years of experience. DTM Anuradha Anand. She is from Advanced Toastmasters Club and is a division level TT speaker. Her message to the captains is, I am a table topics ace with wins at the club, area and division level. Division, she has been won TT once and been a runner-up once. And at club level, she has won more than 10 times in all 4 contests. So to start off with Anuradha Anand, I need a bid of 75 GC. Do I see 75? I should see some hands going up. Yes, Basu is bidding it at 75. Do I see 80 for her? 80. Sanjukta is in at 80. Do I see 85? Back again, Basu. Do I see 85 from Basu? A DTM with 9 years experience at 80 will be a steal. Do I see 85 from any other captains? If I don't see any further bids, then I'll sell to Basu. I'll sell to Sanjukta for 80. If I don't see any further bids, then I'll sell in 3, 2. Akhil comes in at 85. Sanjukta was noting it down, but she didn't see Akhil's hand. So Akhil is back in at 85. Do I see 90 from Sanjukta? Okay, Rabin is in the event now. All 3 Toastmasters have bid for. All 4 captains have bid for her. Rabin is at 90. Do I see 95? Do I see 95 from anyone for DTM Anuradha Anand? 9 years experience and a division level TT speaker. Akhil is in at 95. Do I see 100? The first player to reach 100 for today. Do I see 100 from anyone?
ओए गिर गया.
Akhil is super excited for this player. Do I see 100 from anyone? The bid is with Akhil at 95 right now. If I don't see any further bids, I'll sell to Akhil at 95. Going once, going twice, and sold to Akhil for 95 GC.
Akhil reminded me of Anil Kapoor in Welcome. If you all have seen the movie.
Majnu bhai.
Ah.
So for the, okay, I have to put this in Akhil's. So we have had 5 players. So for the 6th player, I need a number from Basu.
7.
7. Who is the lucky number 7? Who is the speaker number 7? It's Parimal Joshi, uncapped from TCS Maitri Toastmasters with an experience of 0.5 years. His message is, I can grab points for my team if I am selected. A very simple message to all the captains. Do I see a bid at 20 GC? You might find a diamond like Mumbai Indians did with Jasprit Bumrah. Do I see a bid for 20 GC for Parimal Joshi? I don't see any hands going up. If I don't see any further hands, then the player will go unsold. If I don't see any hands going up in 3, 2, 1, unfortunately, Parimal Joshi goes unsold in the first round of the auction. So next, I want a number from Robin. Give me a
1.
number. 1. So let's see who the first speaker is. Toastmaster Jagrati Sahu from TCS Maitri. We have lots of registrations from TCS Maitri Toastmasters Club. So kudos to all of you. She has 1 year's experience and she is uncapped right now. Her message for the captains is, I have been the VPM of my club in the last term. So I'm sure she is used to talking with lots of people. I'm comfortable in interacting with people. Apart from that, I have been reading a lot lately and can speak on any topic very easily. So who wants to bid in at 20 GC for Toastmaster Jagrati Sahu? Do I see any bids? Robin is in at 20 GC. Do I see anyone going for 25 GC? He is an experienced speaker for an uncapped value with a 1 year's experience. Do I see anyone going for 25? If I don't see anyone going in at 25, then I'll have to sell to Robin. I'll sell in 1, 2, 3. Jagrati Sahu goes for the base price of 20 and will play for the Pune Parrots. Robin has opened his account with his first uncapped player and has 380 balance remaining. If you want to see, then you can just check your own balances right now. And then Sanjukta, I need the 8th player from you.
10.
10. Bird number 10, and the speaker is Saurabh Gandhi from Bibewadi Toastmasters Club. With 0.3 years experience, he is uncapped. But for him, he brings international value to your team. He has won table topics at UK Toastmasters meeting, and he has also won table topics at BMC Software meeting. Do I see anyone going in at 20? Do I see any bids at 20 for Saurabh Gandhi? If I don't see any bids for Saurabh Gandhi, then I will have to make the player unsold. If I don't see any bids in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I see Akhil hand going up before I close the auction. So 20. Akhil is in at 20. Do I see anyone for 25? Akhil has been driving everyone else's prices up. Do I see anyone going for 25 and raising his price? Do I see any captains coming in at 25? I don't see any interest from rest of the captains. So my first bid will be my last bid for Saurabh Gandhi, and I will sell to Akhil in 1, 2, 3. Sold to Akhil at 20. And Saurabh Gandhi will play for Akhil's walkie-talkies. Akhil has already managed to get half of his team.
Congratulations, Akhil.
And now for the 9th player, I'll ask for a number from Toastmaster DTM Akhil.
13.
13, the unlucky number or the lucky number 13. It's Aditya Shelar from Fintry, who was earlier with Bibewadi Toastmasters Club. He has 0.75 years of experience. He's uncapped right now, and his message for captains is really interesting. I am a Bahubali of impromptu speaking. If you want an epic battle, believe me, you want me in the field. So do I see any bids for Mr. Bahubali? In at 20, the base price. Do I see any bids at 20 GC? I don't see any interest from the captains right now. If I don't see any hands going up, then I'll have to sell. I'll have to make him unsold. I'll make him unsold in 3, 2. Okay, Basu's hand is going up. So you need not necessarily wait for me to go to the count. You can put your hand up before as well. Basu is in at 20. Do I see any bids at 25? Akhil, was that you raising your hand? No. Akhil is not in. So the bid is with Basu. My first bid will be my last bid. And I'll sell to Basu. Aditya Shelar going to Basu once, twice, and sold to Basu for 20 GC. Player number 13 will play for Basu's Thug Thug Go team.
यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. अखिल के पास 3 हो गए, बच्चों के पास 2. मैं I'm still recuperating from my first bid.
So Basu, you have filled your criteria for both the uncapped players. Now you can select any player that you want. There is no restriction on you anymore. So for the 10th player, I need the number from Basu. I can't increase the folder size because then you will see the names.
55.
55. Who is it at 55? Toastmaster Anushka Valse Patel from TMCP Central. She has an experience of 1.5 years and is a part of the district PR team as well. She has won the club table topics contest, and her message is also simple. I've won at club level. I can win at the higher level as well. So do I see any bid at 30 GC for Toastmaster Anushka? She has been under the guidance of Toastmaster Sagar and DTM Himanshu. So she is a good speaker. Robin is in at 30 GC. Do I see anyone coming in at 35? Basu, you are also a member of that club. Do you have any loyalty? Are you coming in at 35?
You first pit me against my flatmate. Now you're pitting me against a different club. This is not okay.
Robin has the bid at 30. Do I see anyone coming in at 35?
It would have been better if we trash talked ourselves.
I know. He's just doing it for us. He's trying to instigate fights.
You are free to do that. Like there is no restriction.
नहीं, अब तो हो गया.
So the bid
We'll
is
trash
with
talk
Robin.
each other, Vivaswan. We'll trash talk you, I think.
The bid is with Robin at 30. My first bid will be my last bid. She's a great speaker. She has, okay, one information that I have not included here is that she is also an area level evaluation
अरे
contest
खत्म
winner.
करना बाबा bid 30 में.
Akhil comes in at 35. So do I see Robin going back at 40? Robin back at 40. Do I see 45? Okay, the bidding war has started. Akhil in at 45. Robin staying strong at 50. Akhil at 55. Do I see 60? Robin in at 60. Akhil, are you going in at 65? Do I see 65? The bid is with Robin right now at 60. The price has doubled since the last time we spoke. Okay, Akhil is out. I don't see the interest from rest of the captains. So going to Robin once, going twice, and sold to Robin for 60 GC. Toastmaster Anushka.
We
She
didn't
will-
want to angry Robin. He was excited.
So Robin, you have also filled your criteria for the uncapped and club level speakers. So you can also bid for anyone now. So I think that the 10 speakers are over.
Yes, sir.
Anurag, are you here? Do you want to come in and take the
You
auction?
need one player as uncapped, no, in your team?
What?
One uncapped player in your team or two?
You need a combination of 2 from uncapped and club level speakers. So you can have 2 club level speakers as well. That is not an issue. But from the bottom 2 categories, you need 2 speakers, so that even the newer speakers get a chance. So Anurag, are you there? Do you want to take over for the next 10 players?
Yes, I am there.
And
I can
Yes.
continue with the proceedings.
So I'll hand over to Anurag for the next few minutes.
Yes.
I'll
Thank
stop
you.
my video for now. Anurag, you
Yes.
can continue the auction.
Thanks, Vivaswan, for handling the control. Make sure you are still shuffling with the screen.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah. Good evening to all the 4 captains, Akhil, Sanjukta, Robin, and Basu, and to all the audience. I will be carrying out the further proceedings, and you guys have been playing amazing till now. Things are starting to heat up. Make sure you keep a watch on the purse and be smart, because that's what Stephen Fleming once told, the coach of Chennai Super Kings. He said half the battles are won at auction table.
Buzz.
So with that, let's begin with the proceedings. Next, who would like to give me a number? Robin, I would like to start with you. Give me a number.
20.
19.
20.
20. Yeah, Vivaswan, if you could. So at 20, we have Anshul Sahadev from Kharadi Toastmasters, 8 months of experience, uncapped, base price I'm asking for 20 GC. And her message for captain says she's quick on her feet, persuasive, and passionate about TMC, Toastmasters Club. I'm asking for 20 GC, Anshul Sahadev. Who would like to go? So I see Basu going for 20. Anyone? I see Sanjukta, 25.
Yeah, I thought so.
I see Akhil going at 30. Anchal for 30. I see 35 for Basu. Who else? 20. And now she is at 35 for Basu. If no one else is interested, I would be selling Anshul to Basu's team for 35. 1, 2, and I see Akhil going for 40. 41, 2, and 3. I am selling Anshul Sahadev to Akhil Pillai for 40 GC. Thank you. So Akhil's walkie-talkies get one more player added in the kitty. With that, I would like Sanjukta to tell me the next number.
33.
33, please. At 33, we have Ajit Kanitkar from Tieto Toastmasters, 2 years of experience, club level table topic winner, base price for 30 GC. Message for the captains: being a speaker in various forums and likes learning. I'm asking for 30 GC, Ajit Kanitkar. Who would like to go for the 30 GC steal? And we haven't had any response. If I don't have any response, Ajit would be going to unsold. Anyone for Ajit?
अनुराग
30
तुझा
GC.
आवाज मध्ये मध्ये जात आहे.
Sensing no response, I would be marking Ajit for unsold 1
अनुराग कनेक्शन
Two.
नीट कर तुझं इंटरनेटचं.
and 3. Ajit goes unsold.
Anurag, you can turn off your video to save the bandwidth if you want.
I
Now we have completely lost him. And Basu, it seems we already have trash talking ongoing.
Okay, I see some trash talking going on in the chat right now.
Everyone is trash talking me. All my loved ones came together just to fight for my money.
Anurag, are you back? Do we have Anurag back?
Not yet.
I think let Swaraj continue.
Anurag is there, but I don't know, we can't hear him.
hello.
Hello? Yeah, Anurag.
Yeah.
Speak something.
Am I audible?
Yes, you
Your
are,
voice
but
is
your
breaking
voice
a
is
lot.
cracking.
Okay. Sorry, I probably had
You
a
can
shaky connection.
turn off your video and you can try that.
कौन नंबर लेगा अभी?
Who was the last person to play?
It was me probably, right? No, it was Akhil.
Is it better?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's go for the next. Sorry for the inconvenience. I would like to have a number from Akhil.
35.
Right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. So at 35, we have Beena Mandrekar from Aun Toastmasters Club. 10 years of experience, area level, table topic, evaluation winner, club level, ISC winner, and base price is 50 GC. Her message says she can think on her feet and hit the ground running. I'm asking for 50 GC, Beena Mandrekar. So I see Sanjukta at 55, Rabin 60, 65 for Basu, 70 for Sanjukta, 75 for Basu, 80 for Sanjukta,
ये बसु
85 for Basu, 90 for Sanjukta, 90 for Sanjukta. Anyone wants to go for 95? Beena Mandrekar. Oh, Rabin has pitched in for 95. And I see 100 from Sanjukta.
Is the video stuck or something?
This is my
Sanjukta,
game.
you may want to keep your hand down and then get back for the auction.
मैं ऐसे चांस ही नहीं लूंगी. अब ब्लॉक हो गया.
So Sanjukta is at 100. I will be incrementing by 10. Anyone for 110 now? I see Rabin going at 110. 120 Sanjukta.
Yes, can't you see I'm flapping?
Go Sanjukta, you can do it.
Anyone for 130? DTM Beena Mandrekar. Rabin goes in for 130. 130 Beena Mandrekar, and I see 140 again from Sanjukta.
कोई बात नहीं रबिन. After that तो मेरा पैसा सारा निकाल ले. और
Sanjukta is into aggressive bidding over here. 140.
aggressive bidding मैं नहीं रबिन कर रहा है. कीड़ा.
Doesn't want to let her hand down.
दर्द हो रहा है. अभी बोलना. 140
140 for Sanjukta. If I don't get any further bid, I will be selling. Oh, we
Ooh.
have 150 from Robin. I'm going 160 to Sanjukta again. Robin, would you be going for 170? 170 for Robin. Sanjukta, are you still in? 170 with Robin.
मेरा अभी एक ही प्लेयर है भाई, 170 ले लिया तो भिखारी आदत हो जाएगी.
All eggs in one basket.
All eggs in one basket नहीं, all baskets have one egg हो जाएगा.
170 with Robin. I'm asking for 180. If I don't get any further bid, I will be selling to Robin.
Robin is now like Ladyfoot. मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है.
Sensing no bid further, 180 for Beena Manjrekar, 1, 2, and 3. Sold to Robin for 180 GC.
170.
170.
170, sorry.
170.
My mistake, yeah.
पीट देगा तुझे.
Robin is building an all-female team right here.
Oh, I just
So-
realized.
Now guys,
Good luck.
start trash talking Robin. Somebody trash talk him, please.
So, next, Basu, I would like to have a number from you.
Okay. I'm gonna go with 23.
23, please. So at 23, we have Rachita Nanda, Accenture Toastmasters, 1 year of experience, club level table topic winner. And I'm asking for 30 GC. A message says, I am your wall, self-proclaimed an ardent Dravid fan and a cricketing noob. To the end. Can't wait for the opponents to be bowled over by my wit. My googlies are avant-garde, and as you can see, I try very hard, chanting Sachin Sachin as she exists. USP 5. Quite an innovative message for the captains. Let's see if she gets any bidders. I'm asking for 30 GC for Rachita Nanda. Anyone? She's a club level table topic winner. Anyone wants to go with the dark horses? Sensing no bid, I will have to mark Rachita as unsold, where she will be recalled again. Anyone wants to go for 30 GC final call? Sensing none, 1, 2, 3, Rachita Nanda goes unsold. Next, can I have a number from Robin?
40.
40, please. At 40, I have Vignesh Venkatachalam, SAP STL Toastmasters, 4 years experience, club level table topic winner, and I am asking for 30 GC. His message says, an enthusiast who loves public speaking, well versed with facts and figures, has great sense of inquisitiveness, and is observant of everything. Vignesh can be a handy player in your team. And I'm asking for 30 GC. Any takers for Vignesh? Final call for Vignesh at 30 GC. Sensing none, I will have to mark second consecutive player as unsold. 1, 2, and 3. Vignesh goes unsold. He will be recalled again.
Basu, don't
Yes.
sleep off.
I'm not sleeping. I'm very awake.
Next, I would like to have a number from Sanjukta.
ये यार कहाँ है सारे लोग? 37 दिखाओ तनिक, क्या है उसमें?
Talking like you're getting a sari. 37 दिखा जरा.
37 ने क्या दिखाया देखते हैं. चेतन
तूने बोला ना
रघुवंशी.
साड़ी, आई डोंट लाइक साड़ी, इसीलिए ऐसे हालत हो रही है.
Chetan Raghuvanshi from TCS Maitri Toastmasters, 1 year experience, uncapped, base price 20 GC, and his message says he is good with contests which is related to things going in the world and can use examples of it.
By the way, how much money do I have?
Lots.
You can see it in the Excel.
Okay.
Still have
यार मैंने कुछ खरीदा ही नहीं है.
अरे you're not
still
aware
have
of.
frequent.
मैं इधर फुल हिसाब किताब करके बैठा हूँ.
I know, same.
Oh. Look at
मतलब
minutely
Sanjukta
on.
is not taking it seriously, so she might as well not compete anymore.
Oh, there it
Come on,
is, the
Sanjukta.
trash talk we were waiting for.
अभी
So
देखो,
20 GC for Chetan.
बच्चे लोग बैठ के हिसाब किताब करते हैं. ब्रदर, अब कुछ दिमाग में होना चाहिए ना. अभी अखिल के देखो सच धज के बैठा हुआ है. इसका मतलब थोड़ा ही है कि he is not doesn't have calculations on his mind. धड़ाधड़ उतार दिया ना उसने.
Akhil has an auditor, that's why he has the suit.
I don't want you.
Any bios for Chetan?
Screen में sir.
अच्छा, we are
Sensing
master.
none, I would have to mark Chetan as unsold. Final call, 20 GC for Chetan. 1, 2, 3, unsold. Chetan goes for unsold.
Where?
How many
Akhil.
people are unsold right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are
Yeah.
unsold.
So
And how
unsold
many are
people,
auctioned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 16 players are done.
yes. And just you might be knowing, unsold players will be recalled again. So in case you want to make any buys from them, do keep a note in your
ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो प्लीज.
Notebook.
नंबर बोलो.
next. Akhil, go
Number
with your
one.
number.
Let's
Number
see
one, please.
नंबर 1 गया.
नहीं है 2 के नीचे 1 है.
2 के नीचे 3 है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
One is already done.
1 is gone.
अच्छा जो है
1
जो
was
है
Jagriti
उसमें
Sahu.
Okay. 4.
He did not like 2 and 3. Whoever is 2 and 3, he did not like you.
So at 4 we have Kaustubh Dev, TCS Maitri Toastmasters, 1 year of experience, club level table topic winner, and his base price is 30 GC. He says, have had the habit of reading ever since I was a kid. This usually gives me an ammunition of quotes, data, and ideas to use in an impromptu session. Also, I am a performing poet, so I can relate to the audience as well. 30 GC for Kaustubh Dev. Anyone? I am saying Basu going for 30. Anyone bidding further? Basu having it at base price 30 GC.
Basu, don't move like that. Psychedelic motion.
Sorry.
Kaustubh can be a handy player in your team. 30 GC at base price is with Basu.
You are an unlucky auction master for me.
You never know.
We should run it quickly now. We're taking a long
Yeah.
time now.
Let's final call 30 GC. Sensing none, I would be selling it to Basudhara at base price 1, 2, 3, and sold to Basudhara for 30 GC.
जब सबका टीम बन जाएगा, मेरे पास सब होंगे, तब मैं
Next.
सबको खरीदूंगी.
That's for a strategy. Next, Ravin, Which number would you like to go?
Sanjukta, the amount you and I have left are same, and I have 3 members and you have 1. Just saying.
अरे बाबा
39.
मेरा पहले वाला गया ना तो चुप है
39?
Yes.
Okay, at 39 we have Suruchi Vats, 8 months experience, uncapped, and I'm asking for 20 GC. Her message says, though she is a new member in Toastmasters family, still she is passionate about talking and puts her best efforts.
It's raining.
20 GC for Suruchi Vats. Anyone? I see no bidders. Final call 20 GC. I would be marking her unsold. 1, 2, 3. Suruchi goes unsold.
Okay, wait 2 minutes. I'll just be right back. Sorry. Just a minute. Don't introduce any players while I'm not there. I'll just be back.
Okay.
No, it's raining, guys. I was serious. It's raining.
So let's go through the team first. First one, if you could share for everyone in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
I don't need to share my folder.
Yeah. So
Akhil is like the silent killer who
So
has like many players in his team, but is sitting silently.
ये पक्का विवास
Yeah.
वान ने ना अखिल को टिप्स दिया होगा. I'm sure of that.
okay, so Vasu is back.
और दोनों
Sanjukta,
बूटेड आए हैं.
I'm here.
yeah. So Sanjukta, go with the next number.
I'll go with 40.
40, please.
40 हो गया.
Gone 48.
48. Okay, so we have DTM Shreya Kanabar from Toastmaster Club of Pune, 6 years experience, uncapped. Base price for her is 20 GC, and she has a long message which says, being an active Toastmaster for 6 years and attending contests at all levels, have learned a lot and knows how to implement the techniques of impromptu speaking. She always tries to give her best and participate wholeheartedly with confidence. Second place winner for table topics at club level, 3 times second place winner for evaluation club level, 1 time. Third place winner for evaluation club level, 2 times. And I can see Sanjukta going for
She
base
just
prize.
updated me that she has been to area once in table topics.
Okay,
So she is
so
a club level winner. So her base price will be 30.
ऐसी information अभी देना जरूरी नहीं है. Vivaswan not fair.
So I'm
Whatever
getting the
introduction
information from the player.
Okay.
I'm getting the
Okay, one
information
more
from the
question.
player. So
One more thing, can we
So,
not
which-
read out the whole thing because it's taking a
Yeah,
little
it
time,
takes
right?
time.
okay.
We can read it quickly ourselves.
We'll run it.
Yeah. So since with the recent
Base
change,
price will
I'll
be
go
30.
with 30 GC. So Sanjukta, you're bidding for 30 base price.
Yes.
Yes. So Sanjukta is in for 30. Any bidders?
ये देखो आया ये आया अभी उठाने के लिए.
Raven is keenly watching.
Thank God. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है ऐसा नहीं करने का.
30 GC with Sanjukta. Any
देखो
more
मेरे
bidders for
पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास ना बहुत अच्छा सा बार है तुम लोग मैं बाद में बुला लूंगी अभी मुझे ले ले.
sensing no further bidders? I will be selling Shreya at 30 GC to Sanjukta. Final call 1,
यो अच्छा
2, 3, and sold to Sanjukta for 30 GC base price Shreya Kanaba.
चलो मेरा कुछ तो टीम बना एटलीस्ट.
Congratulations.
थैंक यू.
So now we done with the 10.
one player is still remaining, I think. So
Okay.
4, 3, 3,
Yeah.
2. So yeah.
Okay, so Akhil, go on with the next number.
28.
28, please.
हाँ.
And we have at 28 Prachi Avasti from Infosys Toastmaster Club. 2 years experience, division level evaluator winner. 50 GC is her base price. and she says she can help her team with tips and tricks of table topics. And in my club, in her club contest, she stood second twice, so that experience will be helpful.
टाइम नहीं है
Yeah, any bidders for Prachi Avasti? Sensing no bids, I would be marking her unsold. Final call for Prachi. 1, 2, 3, and Prachi Avasti goes unsold. She will be recalled again further. So with that, I would be handing the further proceedings to Swaraj. Before that, I would request viewers want to share the Excel with all the captains just to get them to know with the figures. So over to you, Swaraj. Thank you thank you to all captains.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get this started. We are right now in the middle of the bidding war, and many have added many teams, many players on their team. So let's see. We'll start with Rabin. Rabin, give me a number.
15.
15. Okay, who is this 15 number? Yes, a very popular Toastmaster here, Sapna Shirorkar. She's from Pune Advanced Toastmasters Club with an experience of 2 years. She has won table topics at club level and IRC at area level. The message for the captains is that she is quick on her feet and she can articulate her thoughts quite well. The base price is 30 GC. Who is coming in for 30 GC? Anyone? Rabin, Basu, Akhil, Sanjukta, anyone for 30 GC? 30, very cheap. 30.
Bro, don't say cheap and all. Huh?
I know.
Very cheap.
कल मारेंगे तेरे घर पे आके.
Very cheap price. Anyone? If there's no bid, we'll move on to the next player. Going once. Okay, Akhil is coming at 30. Anyone for 35? Can anyone give me 35? 35, anyone? Okay, Sanjukta coming at 35. Anyone 40? Akhil, you don't want to let this go. Akhil, do you want to come in at 40? Akhil, do you want to come in at 40? Rabin, but has muted her mic. I don't think she's interested. Anyone? Anyone for 40? Okay, Akhil comes in and again at 40. Sanjukta, do you want to come in again at 45?
मेरे पास कितने पैसे हैं?
Can I get a 45?
आपने खर्च ही नहीं किया अब तक कुछ.
अरे अखिल तुम चुप बैठो, समझोगे नहीं तुम.
Sanjukta, are you coming at 45?
See, Basu has more money than me. I'm not going to spend. I know.
Okay, Sapna going to Akhil for 40. Going once. Okay, Sanjukta comes at 45 again. Akhil, can I get a 50 here for Sapna again? Can I get 50? No? Okay. The player Sapna is sold to Sanjukta for 45. Going once, going twice, and going thrice. Sapna is sold to Sanjukta for 45. This one can
So, never mind.
We'll now go to Basu. Basu, can I get a number from you?
Yes, 36.
36. Okay. 36 is Yash Maheshwari. He is from Auranga Toastmasters Club. And the message for his captains is that he has been participating in elocutions and debates at school and college level. He was part of runner-up team at state level debate competition organized by Times Foundation. So a lot of speaking experience outside the Toastmasters organization. I'm sure he will be a fantastic addition to your team. Anyone coming at 20? The base price is 20. Anyone coming at 20 GC? Anyone coming at 20 GC? Can I get a 20 GC here? Rabin, Basu, Akhil, Sanjukta, can I get a 20? Anyone going in for 20? Okay, Rabin, 20. Rabin, can I get a 25 from anyone? Anyone? Akhil, Basu, Sanjukta, can I get a 25?
I'm living up to my expectation of innovations during lockdown now.
Okay, is that a yes or no? Is that a yes?
That's a tragic no.
Okay, if no one's bidding, Yash will be sold to Rabin for 20. Going once, going twice, and going thrice. Yash is sold to Rabin for 20.
Excuse me.
Please take a good look at your GC, remaining GC. You require that. Give me a number now. Akhil, can I get a number?
A number.
I will give a number.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
R के बाद S आता है ना?
मैंने pick किया था ना?
No, I'm just okay. Anyone, Sanjukta, give me a number then.
They are being kind to me. Thank you. 11.
Okay, 11, a very good number here.
Yes.
So here comes a fantastic and popular and experienced Toastmaster, Niket Rana.
बोलने का जरूरत नहीं, आगे बढ़ ले, बस हो गया.
He's won at table topics at division level, and he is also evaluation at division level. The message is he has experience of 4+ years coupled with the wins mentioned above. He is district third place winner in table topics and division contest. And in division contest, he has 1 win in TT and 2 in evaluation. The base price is set at 75. Can I get 75? Yes, Sanjukta coming at 75. Can I get 80? 80. Anyone? A division level 80. Akhil coming at 80. Can I get an 85? Any from anyone? Sanjukta, please get your hand down and then raise it again.
See, I'm doing it. I'm changing so that you all know that my video is not frozen.
Sanjukta coming at 85. Can I get a 90 here? Yes, Akhil coming at 90 again. 95, Sanjukta. Can I get 100? Can I get Akhil coming at 100 again? Can I get 110? 100 and Sanjukta coming at 110. Basu, Rabi, you don't want to miss on this gem. Can I get 120? 120? 120? Can I get 120 here? Can I get 120 here? Or Niket Rana will be sold to Sanjukta for a very moderate, nice price of 110.
Okay, ना मी मेरे ही देवो ये बार moderate price.
Want to give Niket Rana to Sanjukta? Guys, tell me. Okay, Niket Rana going to Sanjukta at 110 once, going twice, and going thrice. Niket Rana sold to Sanjukta for 110.
Raj, can we please not have the descriptions read out? It's taking
Yes,
too long.
because I really need to get off by 10. Huh?
Yeah,
I
same.
organized a meeting, and if I don't go there,
Yeah, main though I'm hungry.
Right now, I guess the pressure is getting to them. They want to.
I'm not staying in my own house, so I'm skipping regular dinner time right now. So I really need to go.
Akhil now. Akhil?
17.
17. Okay. 17. Okay. So 17 player is Amruta Kharde. She's from Siagar Toastmasters Club and has an experience of 1.5 years. The base price is 20 GC. Can I get a 20 GC here? Can I get a 20 GC from anyone? Can I get a 20 GC for Amruta? Can I get 20 for Amruta? Okay, I don't see any bids here. The player is going on soul, going once. Okay, Akhil comes at 20 for Amruta. Can I get a 25? Can I get 25? Can I get 25 GC? Basu, Rabin, Sanjukta, don't put many players on Akhil's team. Can I get 25? Okay, Amruta going to Akhil once, going twice, and going thrice. Amruta sold to Akhil at 20 GC. Another valuable addition to Akhil's team. Rabin, can I get a number?
अखिल जल्दी करके अभी जाएगा और लंच डिनर विनर करना चले जाएगा.
41.
41. Can I get 41? Who is player number 49? Yes. Krishna Prasad Parurkar here from Pipri Toastmasters Club. He has an experience of 2.25 years and has won the table topics contest at club level, ISC contest, and humorous speech ESC and an evaluation speech contest at club level. The base price starts at 30 GC. Can I get 30 from anyone? Sanjukta coming at 30. Can I get a 35? 35. Sanjukta getting ahead of you guys now. You don't want to miss on this gem. Can I get 35? Can I get 35? Okay.
What happened?
Can I get 35? 35 anyone? Krishna Prasad going to Sanjukta for 30 base points GC to Sanjukta, going once, going twice, going thrice. Krishna Prasad Parurkar sold to Sanjukta for 30. Basu, can I get a number?
Thank you. Basu, some good numbers, please.
Don't stress me out.
You don't need to trash talk. You need to give the right kind of things.
42.
Are you sure, Basu?
Why are you doing this? No. Wait, yeah, 42 is.
बोला था मैंने. Are you sure?
Atiruk Histi. He is from Toastmasters Club of Pune West and has experience of 1 year. His base price is 20 GC. Can I get 20 from anyone?
Read
Can I
out
get-
his message.
Yes, first one.
Read out his message.
I asked him not to because it's taking too
Neha.
long then.
Vivaswan. We have read it anyways in the
Yeah,
extent. Yeah.
He says that he is possibly his best choice from TMCP West. So if you're looking for variety here and you're looking for a player from
First was Vivaswan.
first was Vivasan and he's the organizer. So he's trying
Oh,
to
अच्छा इसीलिए यहाँ से आ रहे हो.
Buttering the convener instead of the captain. I mean.
गलत हो गया भाई अथर्वा. इंफॉर्मेशन ठीक नहीं गया आपके पास.
Can I get 20? Can I get 20? Anyone? Okay, I see no bids here. The player going unsold, going once, going twice, and going thrice.
मेरा ना C5 C6 बढ़ रहा है. जल्दी करो.
Akhil, can I get a number from you?
Let's go with 2. Number 2.
Number two. Number 1 is gone. Number 2 is coming. Number 2 is Arman Madhani from 20 Toastmasters Club. His base price starts at 20 GC. Anyone going to bid on Arman Madhani from 20 Toastmasters? A very new Toastmasters Club, but an excellent speaker here. Can I get 20 from anyone? Rabin, Basu, Akhil, Sanjukta. Can I get 20 from any one of you? Anyone? Okay, I see no bids here. The Arman is going to be unsold, going once, going twice, and going thrice. The player remains unsold. Let's move on. Akhil, Sanjukta, can I get a number from you?
ये क्या है 34.
34. Okay.
मैं आंखों से कम देखने लगी हूँ अभी भूख के मारे.
Now, player number 34 is Dipti Soni from TCS Maitri Toastmasters Club. She has 0.17 years of work experience and the base price is 20 GC. Take a few seconds to read her message so that it will help you in making your decision. A great speaker here with a charming smile. Can anyone give me 20 GC? Can anyone give me 20 GC? 20 GC from anyone? Rabin, Basu, Akhil, Sanjukta. Do you want her in your team or do you don't want her?
कितने पैसे है मेरे पास?
Okay. Show her balance left. You have 105 GC remaining.
बस हो गया ना. मैं गरीब बाकी सबसे. यार बसु तेरे पास इतने लोग हैं फिर भी तेरे पास 320 रुपए कहाँ से आ गए? कुछ तो लोग है.
Cost cutting.
Okay, I see no bids here. Dipti Soni is remaining unsold, going once, going twice, and going thrice. Yeah, Rabin, can I get a number from you?
24.
24. Let's see who is player number 24. Player number 24 is one of the most experienced Toastmasters in Toastmaster fraternity, Milind Patwardhan from TMCP.
Entrepreneurs.
Entrepreneurs. And has won the table topic contest and humorous speech contest at club level. The base price is 30 GC. Can I get a 30 GC for Milind Patwardhan? Anyone? Captains, give me a number. Give me. Yes, Sanjukta coming at 30. Can I get 35? Can I get 35 from anyone? Rabin, Vasu, Akhil. Can I get 35
Staying
from
with my bosses and I'm unable to explain to them why I'm bidding on contest. Just by the way, they just asked me for dinner and I have no answer for them.
I heard that. What are you doing? Why are you bidding?
No words, leave it.
Okay, bid on Milind for 35. They'll get to know what you're bidding for. Can I get 35? Can I get 35 from anyone? Rabin, Basu, Akhil, can I get 35? Or 11 gold to Sanjukta for the base price of 30. An experienced Toastmaster here, can I get 35 from anyone? Milind Patwardhan going to Sanjukta once, going twice, and going thrice. Milind Patwardhan sold to Sanjukta for 30 GC. Basu, can I get a number?
38. Is that there?
38. Yes, we have 38.
So just one thing, Sanjukta, you have filled your minimum criteria of 6 people, but you can still keep on buying for as long as you have money.
Yes, I have money. मेरे पास पैसा है अभी 75 रुपए. Yeah.
Player number 38 is Akash Tripathi from Kharadi Toastmasters Club. He has 1 year of work experience and the base price is 20 GC. Basu, yes, Basu coming at 20, Sanjukta coming at 25, can I get 30? Yes, Basu coming at 30, Sanjukta coming again at 35, Basu for 40, Sanjukta, can I get 45? 45, Sanjukta? Basu, you can't bid against yourself.
Sorry, I thought she was already off.
Sanjukta, can I get 40? 45, right? Yeah. Sanjukta, can I get 45 from anyone? Akhil, Rabin, can I get 45? Or Akash will go to Basu for 40. Can I get 40? 45, anyone? Akash Tripathi going to Basudhara for 40. Rabin, are you raising your hand?
Rabin ये third time कर रहा है. Just
Yes,
to
going
keep
to
us
Basu for
expecting.
40, going once, going twice, and going thrice. Akash Tripathi sold to Basu for 40 GC. Now let's take a look at the scoreboards. Please compose yourself. You must be very frustrated and very heated right now due to this bidding war. Compose yourself, take a good look at your points and strategize which players you want. I'll now pass on the control again to Vivaswan. He'll now carry out the next set of biddings. Vivaswan, can you jump in?
कितने लोग
Yes.
हुए हैं?
Approximately half are done. So now I'll speed up the pace of bidding.
Vivaswan, just a minute. Am I visible?
No.
Who is this?
No, Akhil.
Akhil. My screen is full, but I think I'll have to exit and come back. Just give me a
Okay.
second.
Yeah.
Is it okay to eat while I'm doing this?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
yes, please.
So
Anybody giving me some money? Basudhara, give me some money na.
in the IPL auction, they are drinking as well. So you can definitely eat.
No, chi. Our team members are seeing us. अरे ये तो offline हो गई.
नहीं मैं हूँ.
Is Bina madam
Oh,
there?
sorry. One second.
Tina ma'am is there.
Bina ma'am, you can turn on your video and your audio and tell us how you feel. You got the highest price till now, 170 GC. Is she there?
Yes, she's there.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm there. Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. I had very little money.
But I'm feeling now the pressure on me to perform. So much money I'll put on my head. It's like a double-edged sword. So I better, perform or quit or, sort of leave.
Yes, Bina. And I have full faith in you.
Oh, thank you.
देखो ना कितना चहक रहा है.
So yeah, we'll make a good team, Robin. You, me, and the rest of us.
Right.
Akhil is back.
Is Akhil back?
Yeah, I'm here.
Akhil is back.
Right. So now I will speed up the auction. So if all of the captains don't want to bid for a certain player, you can just say no and we can move on to the next player.
Thank you. चलो, भागो.
Yeah. But let me finish announcing the name and the details except for the message. And then you can, when I ask, then you can say yes or no.
विवासवान अभी डर गया.
So the next, Akhil, can you give me a number?
Can you show me the numbers that are left?
Yeah, it's not very clear. It's a little...
Okay,
If
I got it.
increase the, yeah.
Number
Number?
5.
So the next speaker is Harshad Jogekar from Sinhagad Toastmasters Club with 3 years experience and lots of wins in the division level, area level, club level, and also the current defending champion for Sinhagad Club in all 4 contests. The base price is 50. So I see 50 from Basu for the meme master. I see 55 from Sanjukta. Do I see 60? 60 Basu.
इसके पास बहुत पैसा है.
Do I see 65? Do I see 65 from Sanjukta?
I will be left with 10 rupees only.
You have finished all your people anyways. Do I see 65 from Sanjukta?
वो मुझे ऐसे भी नहीं मिलने वाला, इसके पास 280 रुपए है.
Does anyone else want Harshad Jogekar for 65 GC? A great speaker,
Yes.
also a meme master known as Harshad Joklekar. Does anyone want Harshad for 65 GC? If I don't see any further bids, then I will sell to Basu for 60 GC. Going once, Harshad is, Akhil is in for 65 GC. Basu back in at 70. Akhil, do we see 75 from you? Akhil 75. Basu 80. Akhil, do I see 85 from you? Is that you showing your hand? Do I see 85 from DTM Akhil? Akhil coming back in at 85. Do I see 90 from Basu?
Go Basu, go. Go Basu, go.
Dhak go Basu.
Dhak go.
90
Yes.
from
धक हो रहा है, धक हो रहा है ना.
Do I see 95 from anyone? You basically just need to win 3 points. So if you spend on your marquee players, that is completely okay. Do I see 95 from anyone? Akhil back in at 95. Basu back in at 100. Akhil, do I see 110 from you? I'll just put up the amount of money you have.
हाँ,
Do I
मतलब
see 110 from anyone?
बीपी हाई कर दो और क्या.
Akhil, are you in at 110? A great price for going
Go,
for
Akhil, go,
Master
go.
Harshad Joklekar.
Take it. Go Akhil.
Akhil back in at 110. Basu, are you back in at 120? Basu back in at 120. Akhil, you have to think. Do you want to spend? You just need one more player to complete your quota. Will be a great combination with Anuradha Anant.
Yes.
So do you want to bid at 120? Akhil back in at 120. Basu, do you want to go for 130? Basu back in at 130. Do I see 140? Do I see 140 from Akhil?
Do I see? Where is he? So what is?
Your voice is breaking, Akhil. Voice is breaking.
130, right?
It is 130 right now. You will have to bid 140. Akhil is in deep thought. Do I see 140? You need only one player anyways.
ले लो. बादशाह में बोलता है ना. पीछे में ले.
Your thinking is postponing my dinner
Do I see 140
and
from
my
Akhil
family
Pillai?
call.
He is already the second costliest player right now, so we can spend some time on Harshad Jogekar. Do I see 140 from DTM Akhil?
Go Akhil, go. You have money, man. मेरे पास होता तो मैं नहीं छोड़ती.
The time is running out, and so is Akhil. Akhil is also out. The bid is with Basu. Okay, Akhil is back in. Akhil is back in at 140. Do I see 150 from Basu? And Basu back in at 150. Akhil, do I see you back in at? You have anyways 20 rupees left after that. So, do you want to go in at 130, 40, 50, 150? Do I see 150 from you? So the bid is with Basu at 150. Do I see any further bids? I don't see any further bids. So I'll sell to Basu for 150 GC. Going once, going twice. And Harshad Jogekar is the second costliest player of IPL season online. It goes to Basu's DuckDuckGo.
Good job, Basu.
Basu keeping up the money, and now Basu has 130.
बहुत ही उम्दा खेले हो.
हाँ ना.
So for the next number, Robin, give me a next number.
44.
44, Nagappan Palaniappan from TMCP with 7 years experience, area level HSC winner, and I don't need to read his content since everybody knows him a lot. Do I see 30 GC from Nagappan? Robin directly in at 30. Do I see 35 from anyone? Do I see 35 from anyone? Do I see 35 for Nagappan? A great speaker with lots of experience. Do I see 35 from anyone? He will be a steal for Robin at 30 GC. Do I see 35 from anyone? If I don't see any further hands, then my first bid will be my last bid. Going once, going twice, and sold to Rabin for 30 GC, the base price. Sanjukta, can you give me the next number?
59.
59 is Mankit Arya, the president of TMCP Northeast with 2.5 years experience and a winner in club level table topics contest. His base price is 30 GC and Sanjukta is straight away in at 30. Do I see 35 from anyone? Akhil is a president from your area. Do I see 35 from you? Basudhara is in at 35. Sanjukta back in at 40. Do I see 45 from Basu? Do I see 45 from Basu? If I don't see 45 from anyone, then I'll sell to Sanjukta.
दे देना प्लीज भगवान के नाम पे हो गया बस.
Going once, going twice, and sold to Sanjukta for 40. Basu, give me a number. Wait. Let me put him. Yeah.
Okay. 45.
The next person is the past president, immediate past president of Kharadi.
नहीं, she is the VP education.
VP Ed. So she is the VP Ed of Kharadi with 1 year's experience and uncapped. She says that she can weave magical stories, and I've heard a lot about her as well. Do I see anyone at 20? We have 2 club members. Do I see anyone
say
at
that.
20? Sanjukta is in at 20. Do I see the division director stepping in at 25? Rabin is out of the picture for now.
Literally out of the picture.
He is literally out of the picture. ये photo ले लो. Rabin, after getting his key player, has gone out of picture.
Do I see anyone coming in at 25? I don't see anyone coming in at 25. I'll sell to Sanjukta. My first bid will be my last bid. Going once, going twice, and sold to Sanjukta for 20.
Sanjukta is building like a cricket team.
So Sanjukta, you cannot bid anymore because you have only 15 GC left. So the bid is basically now between 3 players, 3 captains. Sanjukta's final team is Johnson Perail, Shreya Kanabar, Swapna Shirodkar, Niket Rana, Krishna Prasad Pararikar, Milind Patwardhan, Mankit Arya, and Vanita V. So congratulations to Sanjukta. You
First team to
completed your team.
Table tweeters.
Can she by herself donate her 15 GC?
No.
ये देखो बोल दिया ना.
So this 15 is basically 0 now because it is useless.
तो ये 15 का ही और पे यूज नहीं हो सकता है, इक्वली डिवाइड नहीं.
नहीं. So
Fully divide. How nice.
Sanjukta, but you can still. Okay, now Sanjukta will only give the numbers because she has finished her. So Sanjukta, give me the numbers first.
22.
Atul Lobo from UBS Toastmasters Club with 3 years experience and a table topics winner at area level with a base price of 50 GC. Do I have anyone coming in at 50 GC for Toastmaster Atul?
Come on guys, good one.
He's a great speaker.
Yeah.
I was a visitor at their club once and he made me laugh a lot. Do I see
He's a bitty speaker.
50 GC from anyone?
Akhil, go for it.
If I don't see 50 GC, he will go
It's a
unsold.
trump card. Rabin.
He will go unsold in 3,
But
2,
le.
and he goes unsold. Sanjukta, give me the next number.
3.
Aditya Saxena from TMCP West, the Vice President Education. He has 1.5 years experience and is currently uncapped. But
TMCP. He's from
TMCP, sorry. And he is a very witty speaker. And his message for everyone is, I am the VP of the oldest community club in Pune. You shall be awarded a speech slot. So bribing going on over here in the first season itself. So do I see anyone coming in at 20? Robin, he is your club mate. Do I see him coming in at 20?
So
Robin gets a speech slot anyways.
Is
So
Aditya there in the auction now?
yeah. I mean, if he is present, no, I don't know that. Aditya, are you there?
If you're there, this is a very nice message, huh? It's just correct for this auction.
So if no one wants to bid, then the captains can shake their heads or say no, and then we can move on to the next player. I see two captains shaking their heads. Robin, what is your status?
Robin is eating.
Robin also says, gives a...
Robin, you're getting no more speech slots in your own club.
Yeah, so Robin is now banned from TMCP and Aditya Saxena goes unsold. Sanjukta, give me the next number.
51.
Is Ajay Wagh from TMCP Central. He is a charter member over there with 5+ years of experience. He's a club level table topics winner and the base price is 30 GC. Do I see anyone coming in at 30 GC for Toastmaster Ajay Wagh? I see the captains shaking their head. Should I move on to the next player? Do I see any bids? I don't see any bids. He will go unsold in 3, 2, 1, and Ajay Wagh is unsold.
And Robin finished his dinner.
And Robin finished his Maggie. So, Anurag, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
So he will conduct the next few auctions.
मैं number बताऊं?
हाँ.
Vivaswan, you can on my video.
Let me see.
I'm getting an error.
Invite them to see this, Basu. They'll probably be excited to also
It's
see
okay.
it.
Alex, I've already explained it to them, but I've explained it to one of them. They want to auction
So
between you.
let's
want to
move
bid with
further.
Okay.
We have three captains, Robin, Basu, and Akhil in contention. Sanjukta is done with her first. So if 3 of the captains agree, should I just tell Vivaswan to sequentially open the cards now? Now, since we already have it scattered. Yeah. So Vivaswan, make sure you just Vivaswan, just make sure you open sequentially from wherever we start now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let's go with the first one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that we save time.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
So for slight randomness, I'll open one from the start and one from the end.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So next we have Shakil Anjum Sheikh, TMCP South, 13 years experience, table topic winner at club level, and I'm asking for 30 GC. Do I see any bids?
मेरे पास कोई पैसा नहीं है, नहीं तो मैं bid करती.
Yeah. If Robin, Basu, and Akhil don't want, just shake your head so that we can move quickly to the next. So Basu is out of it. Robin is out of it. Akhil, would you be interested?
उसने भी ना बोला.
Okay, Akhil has told no, so I would be marking Shakil as unsold. 1, 2, 3, and Shakil Anjum Sheikh is unsold. Next, Rohan Patwardhan, advanced club member, 5 years experience, uncapped, base price is 20 GC, and a very crisp message for all the captains. Robin is completely out of the picture. Basu, Akhil. So, would anyone be interested? Basu, Akhil, Robin. Basu is saying no. Akhil is thinking. Robin is thinking.
Your thinking is definitely costing me my dinner.
Robin has opted out. Akhil is going for base price of 20 GC. Sensing no further bids, I would be selling it to Akhil for 20 GC. Final call, 1, 2, 3. Sold to Akhil for 20 GC, Rohan Patwardhan.
Goodbye, Akhil. Dirt cheap.
Very good.
Sorry, Rohan, no offense.
ये
killing.
मतलब you are just killing it. जब खुद बोलते हैं तब सॉरी नहीं बोलते, जब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं सॉरी बोल रहा है.
Can you show me how much money I have? Sorry.
Yeah. So Basu is still at 130. So next one we have Joe R. If you could, viewers, one just move the Excel.
ते minimize कर.
Excel.
Oh yeah,
Just-
sorry.
Yeah. So from Karadi Toastmasters Club, 4.5 years of experience, division level humorous winner, area level ISC winner, club level ISC and table topic, all test contest winner as well. I'm asking for 50 GC, Joe R. Rabin is saying no. Basudhara is saying
Tell you later, Neo.
Akhil and Basu. Okay, Basu is going for 50 GC base price. Akhil goes for 55. Basu, would you be going for 60? Basu goes for 60. Akhil goes for 65. Basu goes for 70. 75 to Akhil. 80 with Basu. It's with you, Basu. 80. Akhil, are you thinking?
What
Rabin, would
thinking
you-
is really time consuming, Akhil.
अखिल जल्दी करो. Good job.
Sensing. Okay, Akhil wants to go for 85. 90 with Basu. Akhil and Rabin. Rabin is out of it completely.
Happy
90 with Basu. Sensing no further bid, I will be selling it to. Okay, Akhil is going for 95. Basu goes for 100.
Absolutely.
Akhil, would you be going for 110? Akhil is thinking, and I would be selling it to Basu for 100. Final call. 1, 2, 3. Sold to Basu. Joe R for 100.
हो गया, बस हो गया. अब तू डिनर खा. मिल गया तुझे जो चाहिए था.
मेरे पास 30 बाकी है. 30 can still be your base price and some for someone. I'm still in the game to stay
Or you can ruin the game for someone.
with just 30.
जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया.
Next, we have Varat Joshi, 8.3, 0.83 years experience, uncapped, base price 20 GC. Have a look at his message. And Rabin, Basu, Akhil, let me know. Rabin is out of it. Basu is out of it. Akhil, would you be interested? Sensing none, he goes unsold. Next one, please. We have Ruchika Galani from TMCP, 4.5 years experience, area level table topic, evaluation winner, club level ISC winner. I'm asking for 50 GC for Ruchika. Rabin goes in for 50 base price. Akhil, are you raising your hand? Akhil goes for 55. Rabin goes for 60. Akhil goes for 65. Rabin goes for 70. Akhil goes for 75. 80 to Rabin. 85 to Akhil. Rabin 90. 95 Akhil. 100 to Rabin. Akhil, are you going for 110? Rabin goes for 120. 130. Rabin 140. Okay, Akhil is out of it. Rabin stays with 140.
Rabin has 130
Rabin
only.
has only 130. Can't bid 140.
Okay. Oh. So
bid is
Akhil
with
was the
Akhil.
last bid, 130. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Sorry for
she goes to Akhil directly.
No. I didn't bid on 130.
Huh?
I didn't bid on 130.
So
So it goes to me then.
120. then.
Robin is in at 120. So you
Yeah,
are not
yeah.
bidding at
Robin.
130.
No.
You're not bidding at 130?
No.
Okay,
Okay,
so
great.
bid stays with 120 at Robin.
Happy Robin.
Okay, Vasudhara and Sanjukta can't do anyway. So I'm selling it to Robin for 120 GC, Ruchika Galani 1, 2, 3 and sold to Robin.
अच्छा इसका कोई स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा है भेजना इसको this is really a nice session going on guys somebody is taking a screenshot or something
मैं तो नहीं ले रहा हूँ फिलहाल.
I think we are recording.
I'm just
Recording
going
है
to
ना
put
उससे
this
बाद
on.
में ले लो
Recording.
screenshot.
Yeah, I'm just going to put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
What is the pending
Really
amount?
trash talk that much.
So Akhil has Robin is out basically. Akhil has 155 and Vasudhara has 30.
So 30 and 135. So Akhil and Vasudhara in the race for further players. Next, please. So we have Rakshita Naik with 8 months experience, uncapped 20 GC. Vasudhara, Akhil, would you be interested?
0.08 years experience, so 1 month.
Sorry, 8.08 years experience.
they said no right
Sensing no, both of them have conveyed no. So Rakshita goes unsold, 1, 2, 3, and we can mark her unsold. Next, please. We have Manasi Kasande with 0.67 years experience, uncapped 20 GC. Basu and Akhil, would you be up for? Basu says no, and Akhil says no as well. So she goes unsold.
So just a question. I can recall players if I have money left in my purse, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Unsold players will be again in the auction. Next, we have Shilpa Otla from Aurangabad Toastmasters, 1.5 years experience, club level table topic winner, and I am asking for 30 GC, which means Asu would have to
Basu
shell
ले ले.
all her purse.
देख अखिल ले लेगा नहीं तो ये
Akhil, are you raising hand?
No.
Okay.
Basu
Good.
go.
Wait, don't stress me out. I have like a book and everything.
But so you can still call the player if the player goes unsold. So you can call the player afterwards as well.
Yeah, if they go unsold. So Basu is going for 30.
Good
base
job.
price. Akhil, would you be taking up? So I will be selling it to Basu for 30 GC. 1, 2, 3, sold to Vasudhara.
Good job Basu.
0. I've spent all my money.
So now it's just Akhil, so we can just ask him and close the player. Next,
He gets a lot of base price options, huh?
Akhil.
Basically, he's just gonna buy everybody and be like,
Exactly.
yeah. Okay.
I will.
Spoiled for choice.
So the players remaining are V. Nandakumar from Opulent Toastmasters Club. So I'll basically bring up them one by one and you can say whether you want to bid for them or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, just scroll it up and I won't read. Akhil can just let us know if he wants to.
We'll just pin Akhil's video.
Yeah, Akhil, do you want to bid?
No. We can keep moving.
No, just go for the next.
Vaishali Behel
20 GC.
from South.
Not yet.
Yogesh Sadhu from Bibewadi.
No.
Atish Kapoor from Opulent.
No.
Abhishek Purohit from Tieto. Riya Agarwal from Advance.
What's the base price?
20.
20 GC.
Yes.
You can take it for base price since you don't have any competitor bidders.
Good job. सही है.
So
Akhil.
I'm set. Ria is sold to Akhil for 20 GC.
He will have more than 10 members now.
Chaitanya Sonsle from Accenture.
You missed one, we've asked one.
I missed one. Okay, yeah, I missed Mohit Mirazkar from Sinhagad. Akhil?
20 GC.
Not yet. No.
Chaitanya Sonsle, Club ISC winner.
No.
For Mohit Kakkad from SAP STL Toastmasters Club, uncapped. Akhil?
नहीं बोला उसने.
No. He's
Okay. Akshay Kavre, division level evaluation winner from SAP Speak to Lead with 5 years experience at 50 GC.
नहीं बोला.
No.
Next.
No. Please continue.
Vishnu Pillai from TMC Zansar, division level table topics winner with 9 years
What's the
experience, 75.
25 GC.
Yes.
मिल गया.
So Vishnu is sold to Akhil for 75 GC. Just
You
add
still
it
have
to
60
his-
GC left.
It's the perks of staying till the end.
कितना
No,
हंस रहा है.
he was already on my list.
The next speaker is Vasudha Lal at from Advanced, 2 years experience, 20 GC.
Yes.
I knew he would say yes.
So Vasudha is sold to Akhil's team as well.
ये सब कहाँ थे? ये numbers आनी चाहिए थे. What was her number?
50.
I was अरे मतलब अच्छा.
Anjumna, you can't complain, huh? You have been given the list.
The next speaker is Swapnil Zavde from Kharadi, 2 years experience, club evaluation winner.
अच्छा ये.
Viewers one, I would request you to turn off your video so that we can do it.
Turn on.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah. So, are you going for Swapnil? Is Akhil's video hung?
Yeah, I think there is a slight issue. Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
Or viewers one, what we could do is just arrange it in a grid and let Akhil tell which he wants to open up.
Only two players are remaining.
Who are the players? You can just tell me.
Swapnil Zavde and Ravina More. Ravina is available at 30 GC. Ravina with Advanced Toastmasters Club, 6+ years experience, club level TT winner.
What is the pending amount that I have?
You still have 40. Do you want to see the unsold players?
40? I thought I had 50.
No, you spent 30 on Vasudha. No, 20 on Vasudha. Before that, you had 60.
I don't know, there is some.
Although you don't have any competitors, you can buy any player at base price.
No, because as per my calculation, it shows 70, right? 30 is remaining. How much is remaining? 40.
Yeah. Do you want to see the players which were unsold?
Yes, please.
9 लोग आ गए हैं आखिर.
Arman Madani,
Okay.
Aditya Saxena, Sheikh Shakil Anjum, Parimal Joshi, Mansik Asande, Atul Lobo, but Atul you can't buy right now. You have 40. He is at 50. Then Rachita Nanda, Nishant Purohit, Prachi Avasthi you
What is
can't.
Nishan Purohit's?
30.
Okay.
Prachi Avasthi you can't afford right now. Ajit Kanitkar 30, Dipti Soni 20, Chetan Raghuvanshi 20, Suruchi Vats 20, Vignesh Venkatachalam 30, Atharva Khisti 20, Ajay Wagh 30, Rakshita Naik 20, Varat Joshi 20. So if you want to see the 30 priced people, then I can show you those. Like from the names that you asked.
Okay.
Rajasthan, I guess there is one more player. I don't know. Aniket Deshmukh. He hasn't come up, I guess.
He hasn't come up.
Yeah, we have left one player. No, I don't see his slide. That's what I'm talking.
Yeah, there was an Aniket Deshmukh who was like in the list.
Wait, let me see.
कोई नहीं तो Excel sheet निकाल दे. If you have the picture, you can also open the Excel sheet and show, right?
So Aniket Deshmukh, 1.5 years experience from Accenture Toastmasters Club with club evaluation winner. So that's his bio basically. So the rest of the speakers that are in the 30 price category are, let me just show you.
The screen is frozen.
So, okay, I'll announce the 30 price category speakers. Sheikh Shakil Anjum, Rachita Nanda, Nishant Purohit, Ravina More, Ajay Wagh, and Vignesh Venkatachalam.
Okay, so I will. Ravina More.
Okay.
Do I have more? No?
No. So the final team listings are as follows. Everyone can turn on their video now since the official auction is over. Those who are left, all of you can turn on your videos.
And let's have a huge round of applause.
Yes, for all the captains.
Well, we can have
Akhil is
the videos on.
basically like a cricket team.
Anna,
Yes, everyone can turn their videos on
The
now.
playing 11.
Yeah, playing 11.
उसके बाद मैं सबसे ज़्यादा हूँ, I think so.
Yes. So I'll just announce the team for anyone whose video is stuck or can't see the screen.
With the names, huh?
Yes, Akhil's team is Ramya Kesarwani, Anuradha Anant, Saurabh Gandhi, Achal Sahadev, Amruta Khalade, Rohan Patwardhan, Riya Agarwal, Vishnu Pillai, Vasudha Lal, and Ravina More. So this team is the walkie-talkies. Captain Akhil. So actually 11 players. So round of applause for
Good job.
Akhil's
Congratulations.
Good job. Well played.
The second team is Basudhara's Dag Dag Go. So the team is Basudhara, then Paramjit Kaur Wadhwa, Aditya Shelar, Kaustubh Dev, Akash Tripathi, Harshad Zoklekar, Joe Rajan, and Dr. Shilpa Totla from Aurangabad. So these players are Basudhara's Dag Dag Go. So let's have a round of applause for that team. The third team, Rabin just managed to pick up 6 players, but I think he got what he wanted. So these players are Rabin Shetty, Jagriti Sahu, Anushka Varse Patil, Beena Mandrekar, Yash Maheshwari, Nagappan Palaniappan, and Ruchika Galani. So let's have a round of applause for Rabin's Pune Parrots. And last but not the least, Sanjukta's topic tweeters, Jomson Perail, Shreya Kanabar, Swapna Shirodkar, Niket Rana, Krishna Prasad Pararikar, Milind Patwardhan, Mankit Arya, and Vanida V. So let's have a round of applause for Sanjukta's team, topic tweeters.
Good job, auction masters and contributors.
With that, I can stop sharing my screen and see who is on the chat and what is going on. I can't see that
I have lost so many friends today, you guys.
If we may ask the audience, how was the auction?
Yes. Everyone, you can turn on your videos. So whoever is there,
Any
I can see
feedback?
31 non-video participants. So
Never
let's.
just use our
Amazing auction.
cap.
Amazing.
It was super fun, guys. Can't wait for the competition to start.
Yes. So an announcement for the competitions. They were earlier supposed to happen tomorrow on Sunday, 12th April. But now, since the lockdown is extended and since tomorrow there are about 17,000 meetings going on, we have postponed the contest to next Saturday. It will happen at 8 p.m. Same timing. I think everyone is comfortable. So you can just prepone your dinners, have a Jain dinner timing for that one day. And yeah, so the contest timing now is next Saturday, that is 18th of April at 8 p.m. The link will be shared soon. Whoever is in the team, do spread the word. Whoever is not in the team, do spread the word. And right now we had a cap of 100 people. So I don't know at what time whether we reached the cap. The highest I had seen was 79. So next time I'll try to get some
83, 84.
83, 84. So I want all of you to spread the word very properly so that the next time we can breach the limit of 100, and for that I'll somehow manage an account with 300 participants. I'll also be posting this YouTube video, this recording on YouTube from my channel. So if anyone wants to go over it once again, then you can. Now we can have a feedback from a few people who
I'd
are,
like to go.
what?
Dr. Shilpa from Aurangabad will like to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was there throughout the meeting, throughout this auction, and it was really very exciting. It was a complete roller coaster ride, and especially it was a big suspense, thriller when it was my name and who's going to take up that experience, and that feeling is just unforgettable. And special acknowledgement to Vasudhara to choose me. And I will I'll prove to you that you were right.
I am confident. I heard you speak today and I immediately knew.
Oh, good.
So captains doing their background research. I see Niket Rana is also there. Niket, do you want to share your experience? You also got quite a big prize.
Niket was there, but now I think so he got hungry. Niket,
Okay. Do we by chance have Harshad over here?
I think I saw Harshad.
Yes, I'm here, but not in the position to share my video, so apologies for that.
You can share your audio.
What does this mean?
How does it feel to be the second costliest player?
You're free to interpret your own visuals. I just
How
want to
does
say
it-
one thing.
Yeah.
Viewers, one great job. First time doing such thing. Amazing, great experience. We now have Joe and Joe Claker in the same team, so we are going to rock the stage.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
Harsha that just started hitting out of the park.
Do we see anyone else who we can call on the stage for a bit? Yes, so I don't see any further people who got... Okay, Joe is there. Joe, do you want to come in?
Is there some reason you're picking out my team members only?
No, I'm just picking out random people who got
Look
high
at
prices.
random Vivaswan.
Hi Joe, how was the auction for you?
It was really feeling like a cricket match. So in between, we suddenly forgot that we are actually Toastmasters. But okay, the real IPL auction is going. It was fun. It was fun watching the auction, and it was great organizing it. I know like so much of effort would have gone behind it to run an event like that. So looking forward to next Saturday for
Right.
the actual contest.
Yes, I hope all of you start preparing for the contest. The rules have been very deeply explained to all the captains, and they are free to approach me anytime to clarify any rule. So all the speakers who have been selected into the teams, you can contact your captains for how the contest will actually go. And I guess we are just 2 minutes short of 10 p.m. Everybody is hungry. So I'd just like to thank a few members who helped me conduct the auction. So first and foremost, my guidance committee, including DTM Kunal Sarpal, Seema Rani, and DTM Himanshu Inamdar. So a team of 3 DTMs who guided me very well. Then thanks to the captains who brought up questions which helped me streamline the auction process even further. Also thanks to my co-auction masters, Toastmaster Anurag and Toastmaster Swaraj. This idea actually originated while I was in talk with Toastmaster Anurag, because we both are very big cricket fans and we both were missing the actual IPL. So I hope I can contribute in some way to making your summers a bit more joyous. And Toastmaster Anushka was making the posters for this event. So if you love the posters, then let's have a round of applause for her as well. And lastly,
Vivaswan, you have to remember our Dhak Dhak Go captain is the newer pick.
Yes. New picture. Haircut update.
Oh, yeah,
we need
yeah.
a new picture.
Yes.
They have
So
to take current.
now since we have a week's time, we have enough time to do the PR once again. And all of the captains and speakers can also do the PR. And last but not the least, there are a few people who are helping me in the background. But unfortunately, due to protocol 9.0 of the district bylaws, since they are going for district officer roles, I can't reveal their names. But you know who you guys are. And really, thank you so much for helping us throughout. And I hope to get help from you for the contests as well. I guess that's all from my side. Swaraj, Anurag, do you want any last words?
I think, so I won't add any more further. We had a good presentation ceremony. Looking forward to match and terrific batsmen and great lineups. And I hope we all fill the stadiums and rock this contest. Thank you everyone for joining. I enjoyed it as a topic, as a master, and thank you and look forward to the contest.
And I think so we are very sober captains. We did not trash talk at all.
Last one did
well
like
played, guys,
85% of the trash talk. So
The convener tried, but we still stuck to our basics.
Yes.
It was an amazing experience instigating you guys to bid more. And I must actually congratulate Vivaswan for such a novel idea and actually getting into work. So congratulations to you, Vivaswan, and thank you everyone for joining us today.
So just one final request before we leave. Since quite a few senior Toastmasters are free these days, say including Mohammad Katani, Aditya Maheshwaran, probably Bharat Sangekar, let's try our best to reach whoever senior Toastmasters that we know, because I think this is quite a modern concept that has not been previously done in Toastmasters. So probably the senior Toastmasters can also get a different idea.
So, Vivaswan, let's chat offline. Let's create some posters and do this publicity earlier in all the groups. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Organize that. So let's do that.
Yeah.
We did it in the last moment today.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, and I'll connect with all of you for feedback. Akhil is coming in.
Yeah, one closing comment, man. So, the dynamics of an auction is very different. You don't know the team that you've listed down, you'll get them or no. Until the very end, there are a lot of, you have to say no to a lot of people who you really want just because, there is some.
you're muted now, Akhil.
Akhil, you muted yourself.
Contest में भी यही करना.
Yeah. So I could have bought more players, but it's okay. Sorry to the people I had.
और कितना
Could have bought more players.
You built a cricket team, Akhil.
पूरा टीम ले लिया तूने भाई.
अब क्या चाहिए?
Yeah. So we will be closing this meeting, and sorry to everyone who did not actually get bid for. We will also be having a physical event like this whenever the lockdown ends. So
Oh my God.
you can definitely participate over there. There will be more heat when people can actually see each other sitting beside them and bidding. So it will be more fun. With that, it's the end of the night for this event. I'll see you all on next Saturday in the Zoom meeting, and the captains we will keep interacting. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
have a good
nice
night.
And
Thank
have
you.
a safe
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
weekend.
Good night. Bye.
Stay well, stay safe.
Good night.